Alright, I have the old one on now with the new O-ring in it, but you have to make sure that you have the connection on all the way to your thermostat housing. And by doing that, you'll pull up on it. If it does not move, then you have it all the way on. And it takes quite a bit of pressure to get it on there, so don't be scared to put a little bit of force behind it. Then let's snap on the old one. Got the other hose, and there we go. Quick connect up. Not too far. The other side's not in. Alright, there we go. Pull on that one. Alright, there you go. And it should be fixed. Now we'll fill the reservoir up and go from there. Have a nice day.